Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I have this 2023 Ford Escape. This is a new ST line trim. So there's a couple different ST lines you can get. You can get a base ST line, which is like the one we have here, or you can get a ST line Elite. And I already did a video of the ST line Elite, so feel free to check that one out. But let's go ahead and check out this ST line. I do have the vehicle on because it's really hot today and I want to keep the AC nice and cool inside. But you can see it has this really cool ST line grille on it. Got the nice lower fascia area. No fog lights on this model. The headlights are LED, but they're just reflectors. I know the Elite package did have the projectors, but this one just has reflectors. This is Carbonized Gray, by the way. Looks really good here in the sun. Definitely a good looking color. Coming to the side here, it has these Carbonized Gray painted wheels. So those look pretty nice as well. They actually look very similar to base model Mach-E wheels. One thing really cool about the ST line is that you don't have any black plastic cladding. Everything is body colored. So the front end here, it's body colored, and then around the wheel arches and below the doors is all body colored. So that's really nice. Has this really cool ST line badge on it. See right there. No body colored mirror caps, anything like that. I am filming this on my phone because I left my GoPro at home, but I didn't want to miss the opportunity to film this Escape. Look at the taillights, they are kind of blacked out. So you can see here we have this kind of black around the taillights there. They are LED just for the taillight itself, like the actual taillight, but the turn signal and reverse light I believe are still standard bulbs. Stay tuned for a night video whenever I get the chance. I would definitely do a night video on these new Escapes so we can see how the lighting is. You can see the bumper here is nice and body colored as well. So you don't have any plastic there, but it does have plastic down below right here. But I feel like they incorporated that pretty good into the bumper. It doesn't look cheap or anything like that. You have the nice dual exhaust out the back as well. Looks pretty cool. This one also has reverse parking sensors and a little backup camera right there. All right guys, I do have the vehicle running right now, but this is the 1.5 liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine. It gets pretty decent gas mileage. It gets around 33 on the highway. This is a front wheel drive model. It does have keyless access, so you do not have to pull out the key, anything like that. You just put your hand right here and open up the door. And then these little lines right here, sorry the camera's not focused. There we go. Little lines right here, you can use to lock it and then you just pull to unlock. There isn't any keyless entry pad or anything like that on the side. Let's go ahead and open it up here. Looking at the door panel, we have a nice soft touch material up here. We have this really cool like carbon fiber look right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. This one does have automatic windows for just the just the driver's window is only automatic down. The rest of them is just regular. Looking at these seats, this one has these nice ST line seats. So it has this really cool like black cloth in the middle here. And then it has like the Active X on the outside. These are really comfortable seats. And it does have a power driver seat. All right guys, I zoomed the camera out a little bit so you guys can see the interior a little bit better. So we do have the ST line steering wheel. It's a really nice beefy steering wheel. It feels like a nice good quality leather on it. You can see here we have adaptive cruise control. We do have lane centering assist, all that good stuff. This is an all new gauge cluster that's only seen in the new Escapes. So this is pretty nice. You can go through your different options there. You can look at your trip settings. You can change what screens you want to show in the corner here. Looking in the center here, because this one has the tech pack on it, it does have this huge 13.2 inch screen. This is definitely a must have. Like I said, that tech package is definitely worth it. You can see here we have the navigation in the corner, our radio, you can connect your phone, you can go through like the different features of the car like the driver assistance. You can see there, adaptive cruise control, all that good stuff, pre-collision assist, blind spot monitor. And this one does have drive modes as well. So you can either press the button there or you can press the button down here. This is a drive mode button as well. You can go through the different drive modes, obviously the Eco, Sport, all that stuff. When you put it in Sport mode, it changes up the display a little bit. It kind of looks a little bit more dark. So that's kind of cool. But we'll stay in normal for now. This screen is pretty awesome. It's a typical Ford screen. If you go in here, you can go into like the climate settings. You can choose where you want the air to come out and all that good stuff. This is for your driver assistance. So that's like a quick button. So you can go there with your traction control and everything else. Right here is the auto start stop off. You can turn it off if you'd like. I'm gonna leave it off actually. max defroster, and then like I said, the drive modes, volume knob, and then the start stop knob is right here now. Or excuse me, the engine start stop button is right here. So that's pretty nice. No wireless charging pad in this one, but it does have the 2 USBs. This area is pretty much the same as the old Escape. You have the auto hold right here, parking brake, more storage in here, and these seats look really cool. I really do like these seats, and the black headliner is a huge plus. I love having the black headliner because the light one just looks kind of cheap, and you know, it gets fingerprints on it and stuff. At least that's my personal opinion. Glasses holder here, and then you have the LED lighting. Let's see if the mirrors are illuminated. Oh, they are, so that's pretty nice. The mirrors are illuminated, so that's pretty cool. Let's check out the backup camera. That's a massive backup camera. So that is definitely really impressive. It doesn't have the 360 like the ST Line Elite I just showed you guys, but it does have this really huge backup camera with the parking sensors over there. Let's go ahead and check out the back seat and the trunk, and then let's take this Escape for a spin. All right, guys, one thing that's really impressive about the Escapes is the rear seat leg room. So you can see here, this seat is adjusted for me sitting in the front, and I'm 6'5", and you can see there's a whole bunch of leg room in the back. Really, really impressive for the leg room. You guys can see there, has a nice design on the seat in the back as well. You also have a armrest. You have 2 air vents and 2 USBs down there. You also have a pocket on the back of the passenger seat only, not on this one. It does have the nice vinyl back, so it's easy to clean. Let's say you have kids or whatever and they're kicking the back of the seat. It'll be really easy to clean since this part is not cloth on the back. As you guys can see there, it is a power trunk, so that's really nice. You have the ST Line floor mats here. These are really premium, nice plush floor mats. You look under here, you have a spare tire. There you go, with more storage. That's pretty cool as well. You also have a 12 volt back here, and you can see there's plenty of room, and the seats do fold down as well. All right, now that I've shown you guys the nice, beautiful Escape, let's go ahead and take it for a spin. Right off the bat, one thing I really love in comparison to the pre-refresh model is this nice ST Line steering wheel. This steering wheel is really, really impressive. It's really grippy, and it makes it just feel better when you're driving, when you're gripping a nice steering wheel. So on my ST Line Elite video, some people were complaining about the price since Ford had that one priced at $44,000. And I do agree that is a lot of money for an Escape. It does have a lot of nice features and stuff, but you know, at the end of the day, it is an Escape, so I understand it's a lot of money. This one is super value packed. This one I don't even notice that much stuff that I'm missing out of the ST Line Elite. And this one's only 31 grand. And it's a huge price difference. Yes, it has the 1.5 engine, and yes, it's only front wheel drive, whereas the other one was the 2.0 all wheel drive. But those savings in the price and the nice features that you get with this one, with the tech pack, definitely makes this one worth it for sure. Let's see how it handles. It actually handles really good for an SUV, really good. Now this may be a 1.5 engine, but it definitely performs perfectly fine in an Escape. Some people freak out because they're like, oh, it's a 3-cylinder engine, it's gonna have no power, blah, blah, blah. This one has plenty of power for this vehicle for sure. Let me step on a little bit here. Yeah, I mean, it's not fast. I mean, it's not like the 2.0. The 2.0 is really impressive. This one is like, you know, just what you would expect out of a car like this. But it definitely feels zippy around town. The throttle response is really good. The ride is pretty good on this one as well. Handles good. Just overall a good driving vehicle. And by the way, this one is available here at Godden Ford in Las Vegas. I'll put my contact info in the description below. If you guys are interested in checking out this Escape, I'd be more than happy to help you guys out on that. Let's take this corner again. Yeah, really good. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts on the Escape in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one. By the way, I want to show you guys here our little Escape inventory. So we got this nice one right here. Yeah, this black one, this white one. These are all pretty much the same. Actually, no, that's just a normal active model. We'll do a review on that one eventually. And then we also have the ST line Elite I showed you guys earlier. And then we also have an old one that we're blowing out as well. So we've got a pretty good little escape inventory here.